In welding processes, fumes and dangerous gases represent a real risk to operators' health. Traditional solutions are often not sufficient to ensure effective protection. For this reason, from a technical standpoint, source extraction is the best choice. Extraction torches capture fumes directly at the point where they are generated, minimizing the risk of inhalation and improving air quality in the work environment. To meet these requirements, Aerservice has developed high-pressure extraction systems designed to work in perfect synergy with extraction torches. Two solutions designed to ensure efficiency, reliability, and operational continuity: the OTS and the DOT. OTS and DOT are two solutions designed to ensure efficient and reliable extraction in any welding environment. OTS is a compact mobile filtration unit, ideal for single workstation. It is equipped with a 2.2 kilowatt three-phase turbine and a high-efficiency filter with a surface area of 3 square meters. The automatic self-cleaning system ensures consistent performance over time, while the automatic start and stop activates extraction only during welding and keeps it running for 60 seconds after, removing any remaining fumes. The adjustable extraction speeds makes the system simple and efficient to use. DOT is the solution for more intensive applications. With a 3 kilowatt turbine and a 6.3 square meter filter, it provides higher extraction capacity and is ideal for 1 or 2 torches operating simultaneously. Self-cleaning, automatic start, and pressure control ensures continuous operation and consistent performance even under demanding conditions. With the OTS and the DOT, Aerservice provides reliable source extraction solutions, improving safety, air quality, and work efficiency. Because protecting the operator means acting exactly where the problem originates.